We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can delete the IPC360 account. So first you will need to launch the IPC360 app, then go into Settings section. Here find and tap at the Delete Account option, then Agree, input your password to confirm, and once the password is entered, tap at the Delete Account button. Then input the verification code or CAPTCHA. Then once again tap at this button here, confirm that you're sure, and within a few seconds the process should be finished and the IPC360 account gets deleted successfully. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.